Understanding, on the number line, in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase that often pops up in mathematics and English conversations, on the number line. Understanding this phrase is crucial not only for math enthusiasts but also for English language learners aiming to grasp the full spectrum of English usage. So, let's dive into what it means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations and studies. The phrase, on the number line, refers to the position of numbers on a visual representation called a number line. A number line is a straight line that has numbers placed at equal intervals along its length. It is used to illustrate the order of numbers, their relative positions, and to perform basic arithmetic operations. When we say a number is on the number line, we mean that you can find this number at a specific point along this line. This concept is fundamental in understanding how numbers are organized and compared to one another. The number line is an essential tool in mathematics because it visually represents numbers and their relationships. It helps learners grasp ordering of numbers, understanding which numbers are larger or smaller, distance between numbers, seeing the numerical difference or distance between two numbers, arithmetic operations, visualizing addition, subtraction, and even multiplication and division. It's a powerful visual aid that makes abstract concepts more concrete, especially for visual learners. To integrate this phrase into your English, here are some examples. The number 5 is located on the number line between 4 and 6. When subtracting negative numbers on the number line, you move to the right. Can you show where -3 is on the number line? These sentences demonstrate how the phrase can be used in educational contexts or when discussing mathematical concepts. I hope this video has shed light on the phrase, on the number line, and its significance both in the English language and in the study of mathematics. Remember, understanding such phrases enriches your language skills and enhances your mathematical understanding. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit the number line whenever you need a visual aid to comprehend numbers and operations. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!